Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about the match formula. Now the match formula is not a formula that's really ever used by itself, but it's fairly common and fairly powerful to use within other formulas and nesting them together. So what the match formula is going to do is it is going to return the relative position of an item. So it's going to look up something within a list and tell us what position it is within that list. So this is a pretty powerful formula and used a lot, specifically in array functions and when we want to return a value within a list. So basically what it does is it's going to return something that we look up. So we'll put in our match formula here, we'll look up Tom in this case, and then we are going to select our array. Now the important thing to note is that whatever array we select, that is going to be the values that is possible. Makes pretty good sense, but in this situation, so you can see that Tom is the fourth one in this list. Now if we select our headers as well, because we select our headers in there, Tom is now the fifth person in this list. Now even though the header is not a person, because we select it, that is how it's going to calculate it. So most of the time you're just going to want to select your actual data and remove any headers that you have. So we'll leave it as that, and then we have three options. We can go less than, exact, or greater than. Now because we're using text, we're going to pretty much always want to use exact. If you were using a number and wanted to look at less than or greater than, you could use 1 or -1, and that would give you your desired result. We'll just close our parentheses, and it will show us that Tom is the fourth member in this list. Now it's dynamic because we linked it to the cell, so we can change it, and if we want to look up Eric, it can show us that Eric is the first one. Now the cool thing about match, a lot different than other formulas, is that it can work either horizontally or vertically. So we just did our vertical lookup, and we'll put in the exact same data going horizontally just to show that it works there as well. Now the same things that we talked about applies this way as well. If we had headers, we want to exclude those, otherwise it will throw everything off. So we'll select our data, we'll use our exact match once again, and close our parentheses, and it will return the exact same value both horizontally and vertically. If you want to change it, it's going to automatically update. So hopefully that helps you guys, and you can see it interacting with other formulas and being able to kind of display a position, and that would affect other formulas and create them a bit more robust and a bit more dynamically. So thanks guys.